Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Let's get straight into the chart. And remember, I'm not your financial advisor. This is just for fun. And that's Nasdaq, daily chart on Nasdaq. And wow, exactly what I thought and what I predicted happened. I said we built up this bullish flag. And I even said that here, because of these green candles, probably we have finished building up the flag. But I also said that it's above 16,400 when we can be sure that it has finished. And this is exactly what happened. So my price target of 17,000 is valid. So right now I'm fairly convinced that we are on our way to 17,000, and it's just amazing. Very good possibilities of trading to buying the dips on Nasdaq and just longing is just amazing. Sp500. Let's go over to Sp500. That's the daily chart on Sp500, and let's see what we can predict here. Same situation. It's just amazing. We built up this flag. We broke up. I said when we break above these highs, then we can be sure that this flag is finished building up. So my price target is I can't remember. Let me just check it. So my price target is 4,790, a short-term price target. But this other price target can also be valid, 5,000, even 5,050. So we will see when we break above this. This is probably going to be an area of resistance. We might have pullbacks here, but when we do break above this area, then 5,000 is a valid price target. Okay. So that's Sp500. Dow Jones is a little bit slower. Let's see if we can talk about a similar situation here. This candle, this long wick to the downside below the 20-day EMA shows me that 20-day EMA is strong support. And even though we have a lower low and a lower high and even a lower low now, it looks bearish right now, but we almost retested. We might have retested the breakout. This is very bullish when we pull back, and now if we do get above this previous lower high, and especially of this high, then it's very bullish. And actually my price target on the Dow Jones is 38,000. Good. Let's go over to German index, DAX. That's the German index daily chart on DAX. My price target, we almost reached my price target, which is right here. And yeah, looks like we came up, spent some time here, came up, spending some time here, but it certainly looks very bullish. We are off to the upside since we broke up above this previous resistance, all-time high levels. I have no clue where we are going right now, so I'm careful with my longs, but certainly when we break above this level, and as long as we are above this level, I'm not concerned about the bullish trend. So let's go over to Japan, Nikkei, Japanese index, and see what's happening there. This is the daily chart, and what happened right now on the daily, we came down and touched the 20-day EMA and bounced back up. So even though we didn't have a higher high, we do have a higher low. So let's see what happens. I've got all my price targets here around 30,000, 30,300, and even above 31,000. It looks a little bit wedgy to me, which is not a nice pattern. But let's see, if we do break to 30,000 and above, then this is very bullish again. All right. Now Russel. Let's go over to Russel and see what's going on there, and what happened right there. We had this week to the downside, and I should have drawn this area as an area of support, but we came up, very strong move up. No surprise we had a pullback. In fact, we pulled back to this breakout point, but we came back above the 20-day EMA, I believe, and this is a very bullish sign. Even though we have a lower high and a lower low here, let's see if this is a turnaround. I do think it's a turnaround. I do think we are going to go to the upside, but in order for that to be valid, and also we have this wedge that I pointed out in my previous video, we closed above the, yeah, we are still in this wedge. When I connect the bodies, I think it's we are still inside the wedge. Anyway, anytime we can break to the upside out of this wedge, this is a bullish pattern, so that's also the reason why I think we are on our way to 2440, even above. And my price target on Russell is actually 2900. Good. And one more. Nifty. Let's go over to India. And let's see what's happening on the daily chart. On the daily chart, unfortunately, we broke down below the 50-day EMA. This is not a very good sign. Right now we are under it, trying to attack 50-day EMA. If we cannot break above and close this daily candle above, that's a very bearish sign. But right now we don't have, I don't see it as a lower low. But we need to break above the 50-day EMA and close this daily candle above. Otherwise, this is going to be a sad situation for this index right now. Okay, that's all for now. See you next time.